Good morning, students. Today we will start with the practice set sums of practice set 31, chapter 13, that is profit and loss. In the previous video, I have taught you how to find out profit and loss also. So this is a practice set is also based on profit and loss. Now, the first question is given in the table form. It is given. Practice 31. The cost price and selling price are given in the following table. Find out whether there was a profit or a loss and how much it was. So you can see in the table it is given cost price, selling price, profit or and how much. Profit or loss and how much. So here you haven't to draw this only you write the question and then you from the question you take question number 1. No need to write the question, no need to write the table in this form. You have to write that is, see here I have written question first one from the table. Cost price equal to 4,500 given, selling price is given as 5,000. Now we have to find out which is greater and which is smaller. So you can see the cost price is 4,500, selling price is 5,000. That means selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore, when there is selling price is greater means there is a profit. We incur profit. So write profit formula equal to as selling price minus cost price. So it is equal to 5,000 minus 4,500. The difference is 500 rupees. Therefore, profit is equal to 500 rupees. So we got a profit here. This is over. Now we go to the next question. A shopkeeper bought a bicycle for 3,000 rupees and sold the same for 3,400 rupees. How much was his profit? See, he brought a cycle for 3,000 and it sold it for 3,400. That means he has made a profit. So, here in this question we have to find what is the cost price. Is equal to bought means this is the cost price 3,000. Selling price is equal to as 3,400. Again here selling price is greater than cost price. So there is a profit. Profit is equal to sales price minus cost price. So it is equal to as sales price is 3,400 minus 3,000. So we get the difference as 400 rupees. This is the profit. Therefore, how much was his profit? So his profit was 400 rupees. Come to the next question. Third question and fourth question is cancelled. It is deleted in the this for the sales portion. Now we come to the fifth question. Pramod brought 100 bunches of methi greens for rupees 400. In a certain downpour, 30 of the bunches of his hand cart got spoilt. He sold the rest at the rate of rupees 5 each. Did he make a profit or loss, and how much profit? If it is profit, how much profit? If it is loss, how much loss he has made? This we have to find out. See, as you know that methi greens means the methi which you buy from the market. It is tied in bundles. So in such way 100 bundles he has bought. For how much? Rupees 400 only. So this is the cost price. Cost price is equal to 400. In a certain downpour, 30 of the bunches of his methi had got spoiled. That means he threw that. So number of bunches. Total number of bunches. Total number of bunches is equal to 100. Yes. Number of bunches spoiled is equal to as 30. Therefore, number of bunches left is equal to 100 minus 30, that is equal to as 70. 70 bunches he sold the rest at the rate of 5 rupees each. 70 bundles of methi was sold at rupees 5 each. Therefore, selling price we will get it as 70 bundles he sold into 5 each, that is 70 into 5. It is equal to as 35, 350. So his selling price is equal to 350. But he bought all the 100 bundles for how much? 400 rupees. That means he has incurred a loss. So here selling price is less than cost price. Therefore, loss is equal to, he has incurred a loss. Loss is equal to as cost price minus selling price. Children, please by heart the formulas. Now, cost price is 400 rupees minus selling price is 350. That is equal to 50 rupees. So, he incurred a loss and his loss is 50 rupees. This is what is the question, solution of this question. Now we go to the last question, question number 6. Seventh question is cancelled. See, Sharad brought 1 quintal of onion for rupees 2000. Later he sold all at the rate of 18 per rupees. Did he make profit or loss, and how much was it? 1 quintal contains 100 kg. So 1 quintal is equal to as 100 kg. So cost price, given that cost price of 1 quintal is equal to as 2000 rupees. Later all at the rate of 18 per rupees. So selling price of at 18 per kg. Sales price of 1 kg is equal to rupees 18 given. 18 rupees. Therefore, we have to find out the selling price of 100 kg. Therefore, selling price of 100 kg is equal to as 18 into 100. That is equal to 1800 rupees. But he bought it for 2000. And after selling all the onions, he got 1800 only. That means here selling price is less than cost price. Therefore, he incurred a loss. And loss formula is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price is 2000 minus 1800 selling price. So, it is equal to 200. Therefore, he incurred a loss of rupees 200.